What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today. I'm bringing you a fantastic lifetime deal as always. If you're excited, get in the comments, let me know. If you are ready, let's get straight in. Here it is, guys, TYKR.com. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly why you need to get involved with this, all right? Let's have a quick overview of the website, and the links are down below. Please remember, make it to the end of this video. I'm going to show you why that link down below, the lifetime deal, is going to save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now, we've got a little pop-up that's come up, giving you, put your name in, your email, and you can download a free book now, 21 tips to invest in. Benefits, reviews, pricing, webinars, education, support, all up at the top. Beat inflation by investing wisely. So what this is a stock screener and education platform all in one that helps you make better investment decisions and beat the inflation. Do you want the free trial? You can click there to say yes, or you can wait for me to get you a lifetime deal down below, which is going to blow your mind. Let's have a look at what we've got. It's easy to use. Find great investments within 30 seconds. International stocks, support for over 30,000 US and international stocks. We got invest in education to learn how to reduce risk when investing in the stock market. Smart calculations, open source calculations, no magic behind the scenes. TYKR in a nutshell. So if this is getting a little bit, don't know if I want to get in, this is it in a nutshell. Managing your own investments with less risk. Okay, so the summary. A stock is either on sale, which is your potential buy, watch, or overpriced, which is a potential sell. The summary with TYKR is simply a result of the hard work that it does behind the scenes for you and I. We don't have to do it anymore. It's easy. A rigorous algorithm makes your investment journey so much easier. Now, the score, the higher the score, the safer the investment. The maximum score or a stock can achieve with TYKR is 100. The score with TYKR determines the overall financial strength of a stock. It also increases your returns in the market. So the higher margin of safety, which is your MOS, the higher potential returns you can earn. The MOS, which is the margin of safety, is different between the share price and the sticker price. We like to see the MOS, which is, again, margin of safety, greater or equal than 50%. So they're doing that all for you. Now, let's have a look at some customer reviews. Fantastic application for stock market investors. Educate, research, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. Every single one you see here. We've got a 4-star one here. Been using it since 12/20. Been using this tool since December 20. I've made some money and lost some money. Awesome. All right, 4 stars still is a massive push. Let's talk about how much this is going to cost you. I know you're sitting there thinking, I want this. I want to get involved. How much is this going to cost you? If you want to pay $14.99 a month, that's fine. You will get all of these features, okay? 30,000 US and international stocks, data refresh daily, educational content, friendly and helpful community watch list alerts, Sean's portfolio, and CSV data downloaded. If you would like to choose the second package, which is monthly, it's $22.99. Okay, notice the difference. This works out at $14.99 a month if you pay yearly, and this works out at $22.99 a month if you want to pay monthly. Stop where you are. I'm going to tell you how you can get this so much cheaper by clicking that link down below. But all these features you get with the monthly or the yearly. Now, who is ready to save some money? I can tell you now. If you click that link down below, which is I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the difference. So click it on 3, 2, 1, go. And this is the website you're going to go to. It's our lifetime link for appsumo.com, all right? Going down to the plans, what do you get? You get life access time. You must redeem this code within 60 days of purchase. Please remember, if you buy this code, which you will, because it's crazy to go on the website and pay when I can get it you cheaper. You've got to do it within 60 days. All future plan updates, please note this deal is not stackable and only for new TYKR users. So what are they offering? A 14-day free trial, remember, okay, with that monthly fee. What are we offering? A 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 60 days free trial. If you don't like it on day 59, for whatever reason, your dog doesn't like it, your goldfish doesn't like it, you just don't want to pay the money, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's a lot more than a 14-day trial. Now, let's have another look. $22.99 a month. You work that out 10 months down the line of using this, because you're going to use it for a long time. 10 months. That's $220 average. I've got a link here. You click that link, same as me. $119. One-time purchase. Never paid again, never paid monthly, This is it for life. And please remember the 60-day money-back guarantee. What do you get for that? Reduce the risk of money, remove the fear of managing your investments, save money while managing your investments, know when to buy the stocks are going up and down, know when to sell, easy to use dashboard, find great stocks, 20-year proven annual returns between 10 and 96%, 20-year history outperforming the S&P 500, layman's terms language, and a source of truth to avoid back adverts. All the features that you get on the normal site. Please remember, $119 once. $22. Even if you paid the yearly, let's go conservative. If you paid $14.99, and that's a yearly percent, 33% off, in 10 months, you'd have paid $114. 119 will save you so much money. Can you understand how much that's saving you? Imagine you did it for 10 years. 10 years going off the website, you're going to pay, even at the cheapest price, $1,400. With us, you're going to pay, guess what? The exact same as you did before. Just $119 once. Super, super easy, right? Get that link clicked down below. I cannot explain to you how good this is going to be. If this is for you, please get involved right now with that link down below. There we have it, guys. Lifetime deal right down below. Thank you so much for supporting us. Please hit that like. Please hit that subscribe and hit that little bell if you want to be notified. Until next time, have a very, very blessed day. I will see you on the next video.